get this up now.
So, it's back to that stupid static again. You think I don't know what's going on in here? It's a conspiracy. And every one of you robots is in on it. Just 'cause you can move around, you think you're better than I am.
That's right. It's a possibility.
Yeah, because the master never played with you.
Cause you? I'm not an invalid. I was designed to stick in a wall. I like being stuck in this stupid fucking wall.
Helping if the kid died.
I was designed to stick my dick in a kid.
Poor air conditioner.
I didn't know he'd take it so hard.
Well, he was a jerk anyway.